into Salt Lake City. We got Samantha flying with us today. Good luck. It's all you.
Got it.
55. Good rate down to 1000 and reduce speed to 210.
Good rate at 1000 and 210. Go check 55.
And there's Salt Lake City.
Gonna go.
Check.
Strike 55, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles northwestbound, and E175, 7,500 for 10,000.
Look at Gold check 55.
Gold Strike 55, contact approach 125.7 with you.
25-7, get 8, Gold check 55.
Here for the visual 1000, left 43.
Insight.
Got him? Okay, got him.
Approach Gold check 55, 1000, 210 on the speed and traffic insight.
Go check 55, looking for a Charger, sliding 350 and expect to run 17.
350, Gold check 55.
Flexjet 408, contact tower 118.3. 18-3, Flexjet 408, good day. Yeah.
Salt Lake City, or no, I mean Salt Lake Lake. Yes, Salt Lake.
Strike 55, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000, Gold check 55.
Alright, I
Go check 55. Are you below the
6,000
bases there? Is it pretty clear where you're at?
ask me if it's pretty clear. There's
Couple clouds. Pretty clear though. Gold check 55.
see the airport from there. No.
No. But we do have the right frequency. I confirm the frequencies.
Alright.
Yeah, actually. I have the field same.
Oh.
Go strike 55, maintain 180, turn out to less.
180 or less, Gold check 55.
Yeah.
Go strike 55, turn right heading 070.
Right, 070, Gold check 55. Zero 70.
Go strike 55, eyes at the airport inside 3 o'clock and 10 miles.
Inside, Gold check 55.
Sorry, did you say inside for go strike 55?
Yeah, that was insight. Gold strike 5-5.
Gold strike 5-5. Clear visual approach runway 17.
Clear visual 17. Gold strike 5-5.
Approach Coast 3859 at 1160, 71 1000. Coast 3859, Telegraph approach, center maintain 8000. Center maintain 8000, Coast 3859. Gold strike 5-5, contact tower, 118.3.
18-3, good day. Gold strike 5-5.
Okay.
Alright, looks good. Star Gold strike 5-5 is on the visual 17. 6,600.
Gold strike 55, Salt Lake Tower. Wind 0703, runway 17, clear to land.
17, clear to land. Gold strike 5-5. There's a glance.
Auto throttle.
Gears coming down.
Flagship 408, taxi via Kilo to the ramp, monitor ground point, niner.
Kilo to the ramp, monitor ground, Flexit 408. Thanks.
Jags, Fops come 15. Speed check, Fops coming 33. Final check complete.
$500.
Very green.
Approaching minimums.
Minimums.
$100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
strike 55, left at Kilo 5, taxi via Kilo to the ramp, on ground point enter.
Left on Kilo 5, Kilo to the ramp, and we'll monitor ground. Go check 55, thanks.
Cool. Well done.
I'm gonna stop here for a second.
Alright.
Alright, monitor ground. Clear on the left?
Yeah, clear left.
You want to text?
Good. Like Sam's first landing on video. You have anything to say?
Well, that was fun.
That's fine. Alright, we're here in Salt Lake. We're gonna go pick up our passengers and then off to the next city. A little bit of snow up in the mountains today. So, till the next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, whatever. You know the deal. The whole spiel.
Rate 50,
But
call for Atlantic with Bravo.
till the next flight. See ya.
Bye.
Peace.